Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are explore how to edit Amazon product photo in Photoshop. Open Photoshop and create a new canvas. Import your product photo in high resolution. Then use the pen tool or select subject plus mask to remove the background. Place the product neatly on a pure white background. Then adjust product alignment to keep it centered. Use brightness, contrast or curves to balance exposure. Apply spot healing brush or clone stamp tool to remove dust catches. Sharpen the product with unsharp mask for clarity. Use liquify tool only for fixing distortion. Add soft shadow the product for realism. Ensure edges are